Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to Iceland. It's a long flight, so we ate a lot along the way before our ride towards Reykjavík. We are now at Iceland and starting our tour of the day. There you can see a piece of the Berlin Wall. So this piece of Berlin Wall was gifted to Iceland after Germany's reunification. And talking about peace and unification, we have the Hofdi House, which is where the US and Soviet Union met as one of the steps towards the end of the Cold War. Then we headed to the City Hall, which houses the office of the mayor and a large 3D map of Iceland. Next to it is a nice looking pond, great for chilling and bird watching. Afterwards, we headed to the largest church in Iceland, which I wouldn't even try pronouncing its name. Then we visited the oldest prison in Iceland and the Rainbow Street, a scenic pedestrian street in Reykjavík with some of the city's best restaurants, bars and shops. Then we headed to the Viking restaurant for dinner. During dinner, a singer will be moving around singing and entertaining the guests. Our first course is shark meat, which is an acquired taste, and that's probably also why each of us are only given a sample bite. During dinner, the both of us also got chosen to play games and got certified as Vikings. On day 2, we headed far west, starting with the Ytri Tunga Beach, popular for seal spotting.
I can't fall asleep. I just lay in my bed wondering if there's anybody, or if I was born to be lonely. I've been trying, but I'm burned out from my feelings, setting fires, just hoping that you'll notice me.
We came here to look at the seals, but they're actually damn far away and we can't even see them. I have to go plus this whole stretch of kelp slipping over everything. Then as we walk deeper in, we finally managed to look at them through our zoom lens. You can see it. Oh, you can.
So I'm sending smoke.
Afterwards, we headed to the Black Church. We are now at the Black Church and we realized that rather than queuing up at the photo spot over there, it's better to take it next to the graveyard. Here you can see the snow mountains behind instead of just the church. Afterwards, we headed for lunch near the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. The ice is melting and it's very slippery right now, so we chose to take the more snowy path instead of the conventional path with the melted ice. Anyway, So
So I'm sending smoke. I'm sending smoke. Can anybody see me? Can anybody see me? I'm sending smoke. When's it gonna be my turn? Will I ever find my place? Wishing you would call me yours.
After the first viewing point, another attraction here is this formation that looks like two birds kissing.
Coming close. Maybe if I set another fire. Smoke.
Then we saw a frozen lake, and the first thing we thought of is try stepping on it. My wife went a little too deep and got her shoes wet. Hey, here also is part of it. You see this?
Oh my god, okay.
You saw?
I gotta stop.
So I'm sending smoke.
Afterwards, we headed to the Kirkjufellsfoss. It's raining now and we are climbing some don't know what mountain to go towards a waterfall.
Wind is very strong.
And what you see here is actually the source of the waterfall. The snow has also melted, making the floor very slippery. Bedding is coated with ice already, so it doesn't help with the anti-slip. Here there's the anti-slip, then it disappears. In the end, we opted for the snowy path outside the barrier, which is ironically less slippery. So I just found out that one of the attractions other than the waterfall is this mountain range. Trying to survive in this. After braving the rain, we headed to our hotel at Borgarnes for dinner. This hotel has a relatively good view from what we have so far. From here you can see the Alps, which we are probably going to explore tomorrow morning, right before we check out. Subscribe and stay tuned for our adventures at the Geyser, Blue Cave and Glacier Walk next.